The tough economy is partly blamed for increasing poverty in the United States. Fox 10 News reporter Corey Pippen watched as some people walked a mile in someone else's shoes.
All right, you can start.
These people are getting a crash course in what it's like to live every day in poverty. The organization Bridges to Circles with Catholic Charities of Northwest Florida put on a poverty simulation Saturday.
We have people from the community sign up and they get assigned to a family, and they may be, a mother, a father, a teenager, they may be an 8-year-old little boy, and they play out the scenario of that family's life. So it may be trying to keep their housing, maybe trying to enroll for some type of community resource like food stamps or housing voucher. So they travel around to the tables around the room trying to meet those basic needs.
The simulation is designed to be as realistic as possible. Children are required to go to school, while the parents must make it to work on time or possibly lose their job. Dawn Rocky was tasked with taking care of her pregnant daughter and her 8-year-old son.
It's not as easy to get the resources as one might think. There are long waits, there are things not available to us even though we're in need. We're having to sell items and still are barely making it day to day.
Richard says Catholic Charities reaches out to those living in poverty to try and guide them out. Melba Bowman's simulation being an 85-year-old widow living off of less than $500 a month.
It's very real, and this is the way many people live all the time, just counting pennies and not knowing if they're going to be able to meet all their basic needs, just the basic needs.
Reporting from Pensacola, Corey Pippen, Fox 10 News.